Okay, so take a look at one of these kitties. Somebody out there paid wait, hold on. $115,000 for this digital kitty. Oh look, it's got a cat on it. Buy it. No, who does this? Who is that guy? I'll probably buy that. Yeah. $115,000. That's alright. $115,000. Fuck it. So CryptoKitties was one of the first few games to actually utilize the blockchain technology. They managed to merge the idea of Pokemon with cryptocurrency, creating CryptoKitties. What is this word? Okay, so the general concept of this game is for people to collect these digital kittens, breed them together, and create whole new different types of digital kittens, and then sell them on a blockchain. All of this was actually made possible by the Ethereum network. So Ethereum is one of the early successful examples of how blockchain could be used in real-world apps or games. So what exactly is the Ethereum blockchain? So the Ethereum blockchain was first proposed by a clever young chap named Vitalik Buterin. Vitalik Buterin. So this young lad is rumored to have a super high IQ. In fact, his IQ is actually rumored to be 257. Yes, my small brain itself cannot fathom this high number. He is an absolute genius. That's so, at the age of 19, this young chap was able to create a white paper detailing how blockchain could be used with scripting language to create decentralized applications. So now if you think of Bitcoin was initially created as a way to send, receive, and store digital value. So Ethereum uses the same case except with an added layer of smart contracts. So smart contracts are basically digital contracts that execute only once a set of terms are met. So one common way to describe what a smart contract is to think of the vending machine. A vending machine is, in its simplest form, a smart contract, as it does not need a cashier or anybody to actually govern or control its transactions. Say Bergen was to come along and choose to buy a nice tasty snack from the vending machine. He first places his coins into the machine, where his machine holds his money in a compartment, awaiting instructions. If and only if he manages to type a number that corresponds with any of the tasty snacks, then the machine will dispense the snack and proceed to swallow the money that has been deposited. If, however, Bergen fails to type in the number correctly, the machine does not execute the deal. As long as the contract is not met, Bergen is still able to demand the machine to refund all of his funds. So that is the basic functions of a smart contract. Only once a certain term is met shall a transaction take place. So Ethereum has managed to utilize this concept, which allows developers to create decentralized applications on top of it. So this is only part of the value of blockchain technology. Most people think only about the investment potential when it comes to cryptocurrencies, and they fail to understand the actual innovation potential. So basically, what can you possibly create on a decentralized system? So I've gone and done it. That's right. I've created my own cryptocurrency. So what I found was I could customize my code and include certain rules into the Rush token. This opens up a whole new world as to what is actually possible. I can create rules of certain things to happen. If this happens, if that happens, do this. If this happens, do that. For example, if people wanted to donate to the channel, instead of doing it the normal way, you could donate and buy the token. So obviously when thinking about this token, I'm thinking about in the future that maybe I'll be able to give it to some of my subscribers or the top commenters, and they'll be able to use those tokens to actually buy certain courses or access to exclusive content of this channel, and in particular, the how to make videos. So if you're interested in that, please leave a comment below, and then I will know whether it's actually a good idea or a bit of flying craziness. So anyway, I hope you utilize this information wisely. Don't do anything stupid, don't get hurt, and please, whatever you do, don't buy those goddamn kitties. God damn it. Jesus. Why? Why do people do this? Like seriously. Yeah, just don't, please. For me, I'm asking. So, make sure you punch up the like button, uppercut the subscribe button, and drop kick the notification bell. And we'll see you guys in the next video. So, where's your mum then, eh?